Want to run multiple accounts on the same phone without any hassle? In this video, I am showing you the 3 best app cloners for Android in 2026 that let you use dual apps, separate profiles, and manage everything like a pro. At number 3, we've got Clone App, Parallel Dual Space, one of the most powerful app cloners on Android right now, with a 4.5 star rating, nearly 90k reviews, and over 10 million downloads. Key features. This app lets you instantly create a second space on your phone. That means you can clone apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, and even Messenger Perfect for separating work and personal life. And it doesn't stop there. You can also clone heavy games like Free Fire, Mobile Legends, and Clash of Clans without any lag in most cases. It also includes a built-in app lock, so your cloned apps stay protected with a password. Plus, there's a private vault where you can hide photos and videos nothing shows in your main gallery. Even better, it has a video downloader that saves content directly into the hidden space, and an app hider to keep sensitive apps completely invisible. If you're someone who manages multiple accounts or values privacy, this app basically turns your phone into a dual life system. At number 2, we have Parallel App, Dual App Cloner, rated 4.3 stars with over 100k plus reviews and more than 10 million installs worldwide. This app lets you clone your favorite apps instantly. That means you can use 2 WhatsApp accounts, 2 Facebook profiles, or even multiple game IDs all on the same device. No more switching phones, no more constant logins. It supports over 40 million active users and works with 14 plus languages, making it super accessible around the world. You also get powerful features like a secure passcode lock, so your private accounts stay safe, plus a secret space where cloned apps stay hidden from others. Whether you're balancing work and personal life, or grinding multiple accounts in games like PUBG or Free Fire, this app makes everything smoother, faster, and way more convenient. Finally, number 1, we've got Parallel Space, the ultimate app cloning tool for Android, trusted by over 100 million installs and rated 4.5 stars. This app lets you instantly clone and run multiple accounts of apps like Instagram, WhatsApp, and even games, all on a single device. Want a work account and a personal account? Done. Want to play multiple game profiles at the same time? Easy. And here's the game changer. It comes with incognito mode, meaning you can hide apps completely for extra privacy. No one even knows they exist on your phone. It also supports 24 languages, runs smoothly, and uses a powerful virtualization engine, so switching between accounts feels instant. Just one tap. People love it because it solves a real problem. No more logging in and out again and again, plus it keeps your data separated, clean, and organized. That's it. Which one would you try first? Let me know in the comments.